Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Gold. So today also I'm here with another website to earn money by reading books. Seriously guys, there are so many websites available to earn money by just reading books and writing reviews. I'll be covering most of the websites that I know. So stay tuned guys. If you really like this series, try to subscribe to the channel and also try to follow my content writing job series playlist which I have created, and I'm uploading a lot of videos on that topic. If you really love that topic, do notify me on comment section. I'll make sure I make a lot of videos on this topic. So without further ado, we'll start off with the video. And this is the website guys. This is getabstract.com. Here we will be getting a reviewer job where we have to read books and review and get paid. So I will walk you through all the process, how you'll be getting paid and everything. So before that, we'll just get an intro and some information about this website. So this is a website where they offer a lot of non-fiction books. If you really love non-fiction books, this must be your go to start reading those books. So here they provide a lot of non-fiction books, and also they will be giving a lot of summaries which are really more concentrated into your personal and professional development. So here, as a reviewer, you'll be doing those jobs for their magazine articles and other books. So you have to write reviews for those non-fictional and other categories. So here, while I'm recording this video, there are totally 3 job opportunities in GetAbstract. I'll be listing you all the major key points and what all those jobs available, and I will leave the link of this page in the description box below, so you can directly apply to this job if you want. So here, as I said, there are totally 3 job opportunities. One is becoming their in-house editor. So in this they have listed few qualifications and experience which is required in order to get selected for this job. I will leave the link below, you can check it out. And also one of the most important experience and qualification they require is you should have completed a bachelor's degree, and also you should be having 3 years of publishing experience, and mostly which is online. You should be an experienced virtual team worker, and also you should know WordPress a bit, you should know it. So that is the major key qualifications they require, and also there are so many things they have listed in their website. So before moving on, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. And so as I have told you, is editor. So that is the first one. The second one is freelance writer. So here, to be a freelance writer, you should be well known and fluent in English. So your writing experience should be equal to a native English speaker. So that's how perfection they are expecting from you as a freelance writer. And here, to apply, they have already listed out an email address where you have to write and send your samples to them. So number 3 is science writers. If you are well known and if you have a degree in that, if you are you are an expertise in that field like science or technology, they are looking out for you, because they are starting off with a magazine. They want to write down their science articles and technology articles. So this will be really helpful for them. So you have to apply to the link that they have given, where it will be asking your personal details and other samples to qualify you for their specific designation. So you can try it out if you are well known for that guys. And that's all about this. And here, so the payment is not mentioned anywhere, and after applying and after you get recruited here into their team, you will be knowing what is the pay rate and everything. So that's all about it guys. Totally 3 jobs available right now. You can try it out. If you are a book enthusiast, you must have already known about this one mobile app which is available in Android. I'm not sure about iOS, but I have seen this app in Android, GetAbstract. So that's all about the video guys. If you really love it, make sure you hit that like button and also the subscribe button. And so yeah guys, that's all about the video. If you have any doubts, do comment it below. I'll make sure I answer it as soon as possible, and I will leave the link of this application page in the description box below. Do check it if you want. So meet you all in the next video guys. Until then, bye and thank you.